today we're going to run you through some of the heavier stock that we have. First of all, you've all been waiting, well, hopefully you've all been waiting on our merchandise. So as you can see, it is here. Hats are here. We've only went for the one style at the minute. I'll show you some of the hoodies. So based on our transporter. And we have, what else have we got? You've all seen the spoon, which is pretty cool. And the one you won't have seen, is because these are only released, is the GTR or R32, which I think that's pretty cool. All these come 4 different styles, all come in t-shirts and hoodies, go from small to XXL. The only thing I would say, I'm wearing a large, I would normally wear a medium, so just go up a size. T-shirts are going to be £25, hoodies are going to be £45. Competitors, not saying anybody, are selling the same hoodies at £65, so really good value. It's more about getting the name out there. We will have the hats are £20. We will have a discount code here or here, depending where Tom puts it. And that will bring the t-shirts down to 20 and the hoodies down to 40. So they're all in stock. You can come into ourselves and get them. We will get a shop together. That might take a few months before that's done. This is testing the water really. So let's go and have a look at the cool cars. So here we have, this is our cool section, as they say. Some of the rarest cars in the country. Massive horsepower, limited numbers, really low mileage. We'll have it all here. So we'll just go around a few of the cars and just give you a snippet of each one. Some of you as well spied them and know some of the cars from the internet. But yeah, we'll go through and give you a few quick pointers on them. We have a Tommy Mac Evo. Really nice car, really nice condition. We have, look, our Subaru's naked. We took all the decals off it. Do you know what? I've done a bit of research in these cars. 350 made, apparently 170 left. Most of them are in Japan. There's very little in the UK. So I thought, let's just put it back to the way it should be. And I think it just looks so much better. To my left, we have the GTR, 50,000 miles, stage 4.25. You've seen it before. How cool is this? I owned this car a couple of years ago. This is a Noble GTO 3R. So this is the best you can get. 500 horsepower, 1,000 kilograms, 14,000 miles. What a car. Loads of modifications, which you'll see on our website. Like, I couldn't even start the listing, but what an awesome car. We're still going to have the NSX. Again, we've been offered loads of part exchanges, but unless it's something I want, that'll stay. Our C63, we've done the wheels on it, still have it as well. Beautiful i8, what a car for the money. This car was 111 or 113,000 pounds when it was New Year's, 30,000 miles. This car's 10-year-old. Look how cool this looks, and that's the coolest bit about it there. So really high spec. We've fitted it with some Quantum 44s as an option. We've done the max and front splitter and the side skirts, and it's got some cool glass on the front. It's a really cool car. Heads up display, Harman Kardon, reverse camera, all singing, all dancing. We have our Hellcat, which you've seen before, 800 horsepower. We have dropped the price of it now. It's now $59,995. Makes it the cheapest Challenger Hellcat available, especially with 16,000 miles on it. And here we have the Daddy. Now, you will have seen this on the internet, and for all the smart boys, you'll well have seen it in our Kings. I had the buyback option on it, so we have bought it. It is 1,047 horsepower. It is a fully forged engine by Rent Studios. It has 2 900 hybrid turbos on it, and it runs flex fuel. So it's 1,040 horsepower on an ethanol mix. Daily driving, it's 800 horsepower. The flex fuel pretty much means that you can drive this car, you can put any fuel in it, and the car will adjust the maps to suit. It has all the carbon you can ever imagine. Carbon grills, carbon intakes, carbon splitter, canards, side skirts, mirrors, roof, rear diffuser, rear spoiler. It also has Ultimate Pack, so inside it has the carbon seats in it as well. So this is an awesome car. 29,000 miles. We've just bought 2 new tires for the back of it, fully serviced, fully prepped. Unfortunately, there's no warranty on it with the nature of the car. It's not that we think anything's wrong with it. It's only been forged early this year or late last year. But with a car like this, obviously, if you get in and abuse it from the cold, it's not the idea. So satin, if I remember this right, satin pearl metallic, so they call it frozen. That's BMW's colour. So what an awesome colour. And it's obviously got the laser lights that everybody wants on these. So this is top of the range. This has every option you can think of. Beautiful car. Price is 72,000. It's X-Drive as well, because a lot of them are rear wheel drive. So I have receipts and invoices for £30,000, and keeping in mind the guy who owned this car got sponsored by Rent Studios, so that was a really discounted price. Douche Tech done the exhaust on it, who I think are one of the best exhaust builders that I've seen. So yeah, really cool car, all on the website. And don't forget, guys, see if you just want to come down, if there's a brand of t-shirt or hat or whatever, come and take a nosy about. The guys here will be more than helpful, and they'll talk to you about cars even if you're not necessarily here to buy. Around the workshop, there's still loads of normal stuff. Today we're just going through the sort of heavier end of things, just to let you see what we have. And see if you want something different, dangerous, fast, rear wheel drive for under 15 grand. We can tick that box as well. This is an Indy, which is similar to a Caterham. It has an R1 carbureted turbo engine. It's run the Garrett turbo kit, so not a Chinese kit. Mega squared ECU, methanol injection, 250 horsepower, rear wheel drive. What a car. The midget here, this is my brother's car. He is going to sell it because he's looking at something else. This has a, can't remember the gem, but it's like a 1314 fuel injected Fireblade engine, 1000cc. So it's in around 200 horsepower. This is really quick. So using the like a sequential style box on the motorbike box. So amazing wee car, very well put together as well. That wee car there is on at 12,995, and the Indy is on at 13,995. So two really, really cool cars. Depending if you want to do track days, have a bit of fun. The only thing we would say to you is these will bite. So make sure that you've had something like this before, or you know what they're all about, because they are two very, very, very quick cars because they're so light. This is about 500 kilograms. I think that's about 650 or something like that. So power to weight ratio is phenomenal. We also have our I-Pace here as well. I don't know if I've actually spoke about this before. So grey I-Pace, 22-inch wheels optional. I think there's 30-odd thousand miles on it. I think that's the cheapest one in Northern Ireland at the minute. It's an HSE as well, so another awesome car. Just when we're here, we weren't meant to do this, but have this. This is a 2016 330D X-Drive GT, automatic, all-wheel drive, really, really clean car. I'm not a big lover of silver, but I think this looks awesome. It's a really clean car. It's got 50,000 miles on it, and obviously the 3-litre engine. So really nice price point as well. So look, we'll go over next week. We'll do some of the more normal stock, and obviously stock will be changing as well. Loads of people have been asking about this open day. We're just really struggling to get the place finished at a level where we want to do that. But look, we are on it. We're actively trying to make it happen very, very soon. So just bear with us on that one, and we'll catch you soon.